Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I've been posting in a while, but I'm back. Today we're going to be doing a Python tutorial, basically a coding tutorial. This was inspired by my friend, link in description. He does Python tutorials too. This tutorial we're going to be making a times table using Python. So here's how it's supposed to look like when it's done. As you can see, it asks you what number you want to enter. I'm going to just use 9, and as you can see, it shows all the numbers. You can pause it and you'll see that all these questions are correct, and at the end it says done. So we're going to be creating that. Let me just go over here. By the way, if you're wondering what I use for this, I'm using Atom, and you want to download Python 2, and so yeah. So we're going to start off by making an input variable. We're going to call this number. Number equals input. And then we're going to put enter what number you want the times tables to be. Then we will put this and a space. I forgot to put these little things, quotation marks. So we gotta put them. Okay. So once we have that, we are going to have to turn this into an integer because Python thinks this is a string. So we're just going to call our new one num, short for number, equals integer number. So there. Now we're going to have to make another variable. You're going to see why we need this variable later. I'm going to call this num. I'm going to give the value of this is 0. Now we're going to want to make a while loop. But as you can see, we have to put something in these parentheses. In this case, we're going to need to make a placeholder variable. We're going to call this temp value. I'm going to give this the value of 0. So now we're going to turn this into an integer again because Python thinks this is a string. We're going to call this one temp equals integer temp value. So now we'll just put temp inside here. And we're going to say while temp is less than 120, this is how high we want the multiplication answer to go. It kind of doesn't make any sense. You can just put 110 or something. So now we're going to want to put a print. We're going to want to put print temp. Right now, temp is equal 0, so it's going to print out zeros first because 0 times 9 is 0. So it's going to print out temp. So now we want to take the variable we made before, num, and we're going to say num equals num plus 1, because this is the number that we're going to multiply num times num, the number, to get the answer. So now we are going to take temp, and we're going to say temp equals num times num. Num times num. So now we want to Do that and we can print done or something. There. So now we want to save this. Don't forget to save or else this won't work. So now that we saved it, let's go to here. Now let's do this. So I went and let's put the test number in. And as you can see, it works. Um, so I'll be doing another video if this gets a lot of likes or views. And remember to check my friend's channel in the link description. He has 20 subscribers. So subscribe to him. And we'll see you next time. Bye!